Hey, if you own a home service business or you are a marketing agency that works with home service businesses, I want to show you an automation that we use quite consistently, both in our own business and in other people's businesses to produce anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 within the first week. We have recently had somebody do 15,000 in the first week with this one automation, and we usually send it to past customers or past leads. It's absolutely amazing. It's called a Rainmaker campaign. So in this case, this one is actually for a pressure washing company that does holiday light installs as well. And so what we do with this of course is built in Go High Level, and we have several different versions. This is our new before and after pictures one. So it's basically saying, hey, if you let us feature your home on our website and our social media, get some before and after pictures, we'll give you an account credit, or we'll give you a discount on your holiday light install. So this can be really great for people that are kind of looking for a deal, but it's a win-win for both of you because you get some really, really valuable marketing materials from their home. So it works amazing. So we normally do like an email, then a couple minutes later we'll do a voicemail, a couple minutes later we'll do an SMS message, the next day same exact format. And we do that 3 days in a row for a total of 9 touches. I know it sounds like a lot. It's actually not too bad. And once people respond, it takes them off the automation, so it's smart that way. But this literally is responsible for $15,000, $20,000 here recently for some of our clients. And so it's a huge win. And I wanted to show you as well, a lot of people are unsure like how to get the voicemail drops in here. So we do a ringless voicemail through Go High Level. And what I love to do is in my toolbox, which if you're not super organized on your internet browser, I highly recommend it. I love staying organized, and it makes everything so much easier and so much faster. So what I do here is I'm going to go to freeconvert.com, and I've got that bookmarked. And we are going to go in and grab some voicemails here. So this is straight off of an iPhone. It's the AMR format, and we need MP3 or WAV. So I always just do MP3. You can drop all 3 files in at the same time and then hit convert, and it's going to super quickly spit those out at the same time. Then I'll do download all. This gives me a zip file. I'll throw that back in the same folder here. Okay, then I'll unzip that, and voila, we've got our voicemails. So now I can go into High Level, make sure I'm on the right day. Yeah, so we'll do voicemail 1. And awesome. And you can listen to it here if you want to. We'll go to voicemail 2. Let's see if we can hear that. A little bit muffled, but it's okay. I've actually seen some, you might say, questionable voicemails do really, really well before. People a lot of times just want to know that they're doing business with a real company. And so if it's a little imperfect, a little unpolished, that a lot of times actually endears your customers to you. There's a ton of people out there that just want to support local business, basically. So awesome. So all of our voicemails are in there. Now all I need to do is go in and update the emails and the text messages. And so we usually do something like this where it's, hey, David, just wanted to check in to see if you were interested in saving some money in exchange for before and after pictures of your beautiful home. That's the reason for the text today. I'll try to shoot you both an email and a voicemail in case that works better for you. Talk soon. So what we do is we'll send an email, and then we'll say, P.S., I'm going to shoot you a quick voicemail and text in case that works better. Then we'll do a voicemail. Hey, I just sent you an email. Wanted to make sure you got it. Blah, blah, blah. I'll send you a quick text as well. And then in the text, hey, I just sent you an email and voicemail. Wanted to make sure you saw it. Let me know your thoughts. That's kind of the general format. And what happens is it creates this awesome reciprocity loop where people are more likely to respond to you. You just want to get conversations going, get responses. And so if you have a list of like 250 people, 500 people, it's a huge moneymaker. One of the campaigns we ran for an irrigation company literally did $20,000 in 2 weeks, and we only ran it to 150 people. Their average ticket is about $650. So huge opportunity here if you're not doing something like this. I'm actually recording an entire course about how to run your own Rainmaker campaigns using Go High Level as well as other softwares. So you can do this with a ton of different softwares, all kinds of things out there you can use. Go High Level just happens to be my favorite and one of the easiest, but you can do this on tons of platforms. So I'm recording a full course and building a custom GPT that walks you through this whole process and creates the campaigns for you. If you're interested in that, I'm going to put a link below so that you can just let me know you're interested, and we'll be publishing that within the next 1 to 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in the next video.